That Uddhav Thackeray has called in for a party meeting on Tuesday. So in the next 2 days, there is going to be a Shiv Sena UBT meeting, a party meeting that is going to be happening on Tuesday. Uddhav Thackeray has called for this meeting. We believe that in the wake of this coup that Ajit Pawar has pulled off as far as putting a big dent within the NCP, this particular meeting has been called. Vinya continues to be with us. Vinya, when we talk about both of the major players in Maharashtra, as far as the Maha Vikas Aghadi are concerned, whether it is the Shiv Sena, whether it is the NCP, they are riddled with infighting. How do we see this particular move by Ajit Pawar and also this meeting now that's been called by Uddhav?
Well, Uddhav Thackeray clearly will hold a party meeting. Now it seems like all the parties are pretty much on their own. But I am here at the NCP headquarters and let us bring you the mood of this place. I have with me NCP's chief spokesperson Clyde Crasto. Clyde, please tell me, right now we are seeing emotions running high, faces of leaders being blackened on posters, on the ground floor. What is the sentiment?
Well, you can see the sentiment, like you just said, the outpour of emotions. These are hardcore workers. All you see the people out here, these are grassroots workers. They feel betrayed. They feel somebody has stabbed them in the back. The leaders till this morning, they were looking up to, the ones they were following and trying to take advice and guidance to go ahead and help and serve people, today have betrayed them. So everybody here seems betrayed. Therefore, the sentiments are there. Well, they did what they had to do. Time will tell how long they can sustain this betrayal. But we will continue. It does not matter to us who stays, who goes. For us, it is our party, the Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. Nobody is bigger than the party. And for us, is Mr. Sharad Pawar Sahab. We follow him, we take his guidance. For us, he is our party and we look up to him and we'll follow him.
Ajit Pawar says the party is not split, that he has the party, the name and the symbol is something he will carry with him and that will be used in the elections for the state as well as for the Lok Sabha.
It's very unfortunate that someone like Ajit Dada, I call him Ajit Dada because we still have respect for him. But someone like Ajit Dada is talking the language a few months ago or almost a year ago. Eknath Shinde and his people were talking. So it's very sad, and that was the same time when Ajit Dada was actually kind of telling them like what you're saying is wrong and you're talking against them. But today to speak the same language, well, time will tell who the symbol belongs to and who the party belongs to. But I'll tell you for a fact that the symbol belongs to the Nationalist Congress Party, to Mr. Sharad Pawar. The party belongs to Sharad Pawar Sahab and all the cadre. That's how.
Will there be a long protracted legal battle in this case?
Well, it's up to them. If they are wise enough, they are smart enough, they will not indulge in this kind of tricks. Because the party is formed by Sharad Pawar Sahab. They came into the party and they grew in this party. If they are wise enough, they will not do anything like this. They've betrayed. If they want to further take it, we'll continue because we are fighters. We will continue taking it ahead.
Do you see it as an irony that Shinde group, which left previous Shiv Sena, claiming that they felt bitter about Ajit Pawar, that Ajit Pawar did not give them the funds, that it hampered the party, are now, taking Ajit Pawar in the government?
Well, nothing is surprising. It's not even funny anymore because BJP was complaining about NCP being corrupt. And now they've taken people from the NCP. A few days ago, our Prime Minister, when I say our Prime Minister because he's my Prime Minister also because I'm an Indian, Mr. Narendra Modi ji spoke about corruption of the NCP. And today, look, in Maharashtra, a whole list of NCP people are going in there. So is our Prime Minister aware that in Maharashtra, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis has taken so many corrupt leaders in his party? This is the question that you need to answer.
So, yeah, Clyde says this is not surprising, but as you can see, a lot of party workers have gathered here at the NCP office where emotions are running high. Several of them have come to owe their support to Sharad Pawar. We are seeing that Jayant Patil, who is the party Maharashtra president, and Jitendra Awad, who has now been appointed the leader of opposition as well as the chief whip, are here at the party office. A lot of action expected over the next few days in the politics of Maharashtra, even as one after the other earthquakes continue to rocket. But as of now, what we can say is while the MVA clearly looks like a fragmented force, The NCP is shattered. The Shiv Sena was already shattered. The Congress feels that it is going to stay alone and possibly go solo in the coming elections. Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction had also been making up its mind to go alone because they had also sensed this movement that was happening over the last few months. We were getting feelers from Shiv Sena UBT as well. So the kind of fragmentation of the opposition in Maharashtra is phenomenal, and this jolt that has been given today by the Devendra Fadnavis Eknath Shinde government of bringing in Ajit Pawar on board with them. Ajit Pawar, who will now be the Deputy Chief Minister but who nurtures a higher ambition in the state politics. We will have to see over the next 1 year how these two factors work. One is the government in which there are not just tall leaders,
Yes.
but there are opposing and growing ambitions as well, and it will be difficult for a limited cabinet of 43 ministers to accommodate all those growing aspirations on one hand. On the other hand, the opposition has been left fragmented and completely shattered. So it isn't a win-win situation for either as of now, though it's a shot in the arm for the current government because Ajit Pawar brings with him the power in Western Maharashtra, a Maratha face who has a standing and somebody who has a long administrative and legislative experience. The pluses he gets along with him are phenomenal, and so are the several top leaders who have now been sworn in as the ministers. Ajit Pawar has also indicated that he will make an effort that some other leaders are also accommodated in the next cabinet reshuffle or cabinet expansion that is slated to be announced in the next few days as well. So action has only begun in Maharashtra politics as of now. Right behind me, NCP in fragments,
Absolutely.
leaders are bitter, and while Sharad Pawar says
Absolutely,
that,
Vinaya. And I